So, today's March 27th. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. I guess I'm pretty much done with my day. I guess my next upload hopefully will be the nighttime skincare routine that I am supposed to be working on, but I'm just waiting for some supplies to come in. I'm also excited because I just purchased basically the entire hair care and body care that Drunk Elephant released, I think today, if not yesterday. So I will definitely be talking about that. I will be reviewing the scalp treatment. I think there's a shampoo and a conditioner. I ordered everything and it came out to less than $200. I was so surprised because one full-size skincare item is like $100 already. So I'm very pleased with how affordable actually this new hair care and body care, because I also got the body lotions, and then I also got the deodorant, which is cool because I've actually been looking to get a nice deodorant lately. Then I'm also trying not to purchase any clothing online. I'd rather just focus on skincare and hair care and maybe some workout stuff for home or workout gear. I think that's my parents' cat. She's super annoying. She's just something else, not a cuddly cat. Yeah, so I have been keeping up-ish with the news, just enough to make me not go crazy. And it looks like there was a $2 trillion bill that was signed by Trump today, which should hopefully help a lot of families and a lot of people in general that may have lost their jobs or not working as much. I thankfully have my job still. Thank goodness for that, because I am just shocked at how much this has impacted our economy in the world, really. And I really hope this really helps people. And I hope that, and I was also thinking about it. I know that I work as a graphic designer in the fashion world. I call it the apparel industry. It's very much kind of more of a lifestyle brand. I don't really consider it like fashion or high fashion, but I was thinking about it and I was like, something I need to also work on while we're all on this break is that I recently got a motion graphics certificate from the Fashion Institute of Technology, also known as FIT. I took a semester there and I got a certificate for it. So basically I am a motion graphics genius. Because I'm not currently working, I decided why not just make projects for myself. So I'm currently trying to collaborate with my friend Jude, who is a student at Central St. Martin's. So we're gonna try to collaborate on something there, maybe try to come up with virtual fashion, or let's say I was wearing for a super easy example would be Snapchat filters, how you can have sunglasses on and you're not really wearing the sunglasses because it's all in the filter. But I was thinking it'd be cool if we did a collection that was a virtual collection. So I'm pulling a lot of Swipe, and if you don't know what Swipe is, it's basically a lot of inspiration cutouts, kind of like when you go through a magazine and you cut out the stuff you like the most. And hopefully we start working on something soon because I really need some creative projects. And if anyone has any suggestions on hobbies that they recommend or hobbies that they're working on, let me know in the comments. I would love to know about some hobbies because there's no way I'm going to be putting puzzles together. Although a Gundam model sounds like it would be a lot of fun. I actually would not mind putting together a model for Gundam. It's very creative, very engineer-like, very architectural, and kids do it, I grew up with Legos. I much rather would have grown up with Gundam models. So that sounds like a really cool hobby that I just remembered. And then Japanese. I need to continue to study Japanese. Actually, that's probably what I'm going to do right now because I don't want to lose my 7-day streak. I need to keep doing my Japanese. Anyway, that's all for today. So I guess I'll just check in with you guys. Thanks for subscribing. I'll check in with y'all when something interesting happens, I guess.